How to add fog in Roblox Studio. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So that's basically what I'm going to show you guys, and I am on this basic map, like this castle, right, which you can select all the way in the beginning. But I'm going to show you guys how to actually add fog. So what you want to do is, this can be done on any map without a script. You want to go to lighting on the right in the Explorer section. Now, if you don't have this, then you want to make sure to add atmosphere and sky and basically all of these, to be honest, but sky and atmosphere are the most important ones. Then click on atmosphere over here. And what you basically want to do is simply change two settings. Now, the very first one is to increase the haze. If you increase the haze all the way, this is basically what it does. So when we look at the sun, haze is sort of like a haze like from the horizon, like from the sun. So this is basically how it would look like. And this hasn't pretty much done anything, right? But then what we want to go is go to the density. And once we change this setting, it will change a whole lot. As you can see, let's say we were to put it all the way to the max settings, we can't even see a thing anymore. But when you put this to like a reasonable setting, you know, like 0.6 looks quite good actually, then you can basically see that this is how the fog will look like. Now you can actually change the color of the fog as well, because over here you have different colors. So currently the sun is this color, but what we can do is simply change this to, for example, a bright yellow color or something like that. So, or a darker or more orangey color. So let's say we're to put it to like a something like this. And then for the decay, which is basically the actual like fog, if we look over here, so we can change it to whatever we would like to. And then on the right, we also have a sort of like lighting setting. So when you, for example, put it to white and then all the way up, you see it's very foggy. So we could, for example, do that. And there we go. This looks pretty decent in my opinion. So it is basically, to sum it up, you basically want to go with density and haze, put that all the way up. You can mess around with offset and glare, but it doesn't do all that much in my opinion. And then simply change the colors, and that is basically how you create a good fog effect. So yeah, that is how to add fog in Roblox Studio.